Question number 82. Question number 82. This question is related to input service distributor. Who is the input service distributor? Input service distributor is a person who takes the credit. That's a head office. That's a head office which takes the credit and distributes the credit to the branch officers. That is known as input service distributor. Okay, so this input service distributor will be taking the credit and distributing the credit to the branch officers. We have certain provisions as per section 20, which says that if the credit is attributable to, that is, if the service is attributable to one division, the entire credit will be distributed to that division. If the inward supply is attributable to more than one division, it will be distributed to those divisions based on turnover. If it is common for all divisions, it will be distributed to all the divisions which are operational during the current month based on the turnover of the units which are operational. The credit will be distributed. Okay, even blocked credit should be distributed, even ineligible credit should be distributed, and whatever credit that is distributed, for which they will be giving a ISD invoice. Okay, then next thing what we need to see is that even if they are engaged in exempted supplies, that is, then also we will distribute the credit. Only thing, the recipient unit will not be able to take credit. Okay, then one important point, what is that? If the CGST and SGST credit are there, and if the branch and the ISD, input service distributor, that head office, is in the same state, it will be distributed as CGST, SGST. Suppose if it is in a different state, CGST credit and SGST credit will be distributed as IGST credit. So that point we need to keep in mind. Okay, now look into this question. A Limited, a registered supplier of goods having head office at Delhi, also registered as input service distributor, furnishes the following information for the month of July 2021 and asks you to distribute the credit to various units: CGST, SGST, IGST and total. So used exclusively, input service A used exclusively in unit 3. So therefore this entire credit will be distributed to unit 3. Input service B used in unit 1, 2 and 3. So it will be distributed to unit 1, 2 and 3 in their turnover ratio. So here they have given the turnover ratio. So unit 1 turnover, unit 2, so not registered as exclusively engaged in supply of exempted, and unit 3 is 75 lakhs and unit 4 50 lakhs. So total turnover will be 1 crore 65 lakhs. Okay, so therefore here what happens is that 3 units means in unit 1, 2, 3, in that ratio it will be distributed here. It will be distributed. Okay, then input service C used in unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be distributed to all the 4 units in this turnover ratio. D used in unit 1. Input service D is availed for employee on vacation during the month. See, even if it is a blocked credit, we will distribute that credit. Okay, so therefore it will be entirely given to unit 1. So that is what we have. So where is unit 1 located? Unit 1 is located in Delhi, whereas unit 2, 3 and 4 are located in Mumbai. Where is head office located? Delhi. So unit 1, CGST distributed as CGST, SGST as SGST, IGST as IGST. But for other 3 units, CGST, SGST and IGST, everything will be distributed as IGST credit only. So therefore, while preparing the table itself, please be having some clarity. What is that? So see the table. First, particulars, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. For unit 1, it will be CGST, SGST, IGST, 3 columns. For unit 2, 3 and 4, only 1 column IGST. Now, input service A. What is that input service A? Used only for unit 3. So 27,000, 27,000. So full 54,000 distributed to unit 3. Okay. Then second point. So unit B, that is unit B, service B, used for unit 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, 36,000. 36,000 into, so what is unit 1? 25 divided by 165. So that will be 7,826. Same way, 36,000 into 15 divided by 165. So unit 2. Then 75 divided by 165. So 23,478. Like that we need to distribute input service B. Then next input service C, all 4. Now be careful. Take 25,200. First listen how to do that I am telling you. 25,200 you take into what is the unit 1 turnover 25 divided by 165. You get one number na that will be given to unit 1. But distribute it as CGST, SGST. Whatever is that number divided by 2 CGST, SGST. For example, you got some number. So that divided by 2 CGST, SGST like that. Then other places no issue. Take the total. Take the total 36,000. That 25,200 into 15 by 165, 75 by 165, 50 by 165. You distribute that as IGST credit. Okay. Then input service D. So that we will be giving fully for unit 1 1080, 1080. Okay. So now this is the total credit distributed. Simple. So whenever you come across this type of question, so actually it will be little time taking, but the question will be that answering this question will be easy. So usually this will be given for 5 marks. Okay. So it is just like your costing overheads at CA intermediate level, costing overheads, primary distribution summary you would have done a apportionment just like that only. Okay.